Hi everyone, Alystar here. I'm here with a new quick and easy recipe, how to make peri-peri fries. For this I'll be using Yummiez frozen french fries. You can use any frozen french fries that you want. For the peri-peri mix, I'll be using half a packet of Maggie instant noodle masala, which you can find in any grocery store, half a teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of jeera powder, quarter teaspoon of salt. So we'll mix this together like so. Give it a good stir. Once it's completely mixed, we keep this aside. Now the proportions can differ according to your taste. So now let's begin with the fries. You will have to empty your packet of fries onto a dry towel like so. Cover it with dry paper towels and keep it aside for an hour. This is because we want all the water which is excess in the fries to get absorbed in the dry paper towels, because otherwise while cooking the oil will start spluttering and also you will get soggy fries, which we don't want. So now I've already thawed it for a while, so we can put that to fry. But before we start, just want to let you know that one packet of Yummiez, which is less than half kg of fries, it's 425 grams of fries, will be a good, will serve about 2 to 3 people well. So let's get frying. Here's another tip. Before frying, you will have to take a dry towel and dab out the excess water which will be on top of the fries. And once that's dry, you can keep it for frying. Now let's watch the frying being done. I have someone to help me with it. Initially, the oil must be heated on a high flame. Then you can check if it's ready by dropping in a small bit. If it comes up immediately, the oil is ready. Once that's ready, put some of the fries in and wait for the bubbles to become a little less. This will take some time. You'll need some patience for this. Then lower the flame and fry on a medium heat. Now you can see them becoming crisp and golden brown. Once that's done, increase the flame back to high and turn the fries a bit. Now slowly start removing them and put them on a tray lined with butter paper. Similarly, start working on the next round of fries. Now let's watch the peri-peri mix being added to the fries. So, we're putting the fries in a bowl. And now adding the peri-peri sauce bit by bit into the hot fries. Now we mix it well. That's our peri-peri fries. Mix well. Now we will spread some salt on the fries and some chili powder to taste. Your peri-peri fries are ready. Do like, share and subscribe. Would love to see your feedback in the comment section. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified for further videos.